Welcome to one of Washington's most loved trails, Snow Lake. Whether you're here for the adventure, the views, or just to escape into nature, this trail has something for everyone. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the entire hike, from the parking lot to the lake itself, while sharing tips, trail details, and things you shouldn't miss along the way. Snow Lake Trail starts at Alpental, right at Snoqualmie Pass. The parking lot is fairly big, but on summer weekends it fills up fast, so I highly recommend arriving before 9 a.m. if you want a spot close to the trailhead. Make sure you have your Northwest Forest Pass or pay the daily fee at the kiosk. Dogs are welcome here, but remember to keep them leashed. It's an alpine area with sensitive vegetation. The hike starts with a gradual climb through a shaded forest filled with moss-covered trees and the sound of trickling water. This section has a series of switchbacks that help you gain elevation pretty quickly. You'll catch glimpses of Chair Peak as you climb. It's one of the most stunning views along the way. As you get closer to the halfway point, the forest opens up and you'll start to see sweeping mountain views. On a clear day, you might even spot wildflowers lining the trail. This is a perfect spot for a quick rest and some photos before heading to the lake overlook. here it is. Snow Lake. The moment the lake comes into view, you'll see why this is one of the most popular hikes in Washington. The turquoise water, surrounded by dramatic peaks, is absolutely breathtaking. Spend some time here soaking it all in, and if you have the energy, continue down the switchbacks to get closer to the water. Down by the shoreline, the water is crystal clear. You can see fish swimming near the surface, and the reflections of the mountains make this one of the best photography spots on the trail. Please remember to stay on designated trails and avoid trampling fragile plants. The best time to hike Snow Lake is from July to early October, when the snow has melted and the trail is clear. If you come in early summer, there might still be snow patches, so bring poles and be careful on slippery sections. Also, be prepared for crowds. This is one of the busiest hikes near Seattle, but it's popular for a reason. Snow Lake is the perfect mix of effort and reward. You get stunning alpine views, a beautiful lake, and a solid workout, all in one hike. Whether you're a local or visiting Washington, this trail is a must-do. Snow Lake is a true gem of the Alpine Lakes wilderness. It's popular for a reason. Incredible views, a relatively moderate trail, and an unforgettable alpine lake experience just an hour from Seattle. So go early, bring your camera, and prepare to fall in love with this trail. Snow Lake will leave you wanting more. And that's the magic of it. you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more hiking guides, and let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Snow Lake or if it's on your list.